Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Hazel from Home, the YouTube channel that shares work from home and online job opportunities. I also share a lot of side hustle opportunities to help you achieve your financial goals this year. And I know a lot of you guys have different goals, whether it's to save, invest, maybe even to have some spending money on the side. You're going to find opportunities here that's going to pay you very well all to stay at home. I know that there are so many different scams online, and it could be very overwhelming to even look for a remote work from home job. But when you're here, you're going to find opportunities for you. So you can cut through ad of the fluff online. And not only do I share these opportunities, I also share free resources helping you to write your resume and understand how to properly prepare yourself so that you can get a winning chance when you're applying for this opportunity. I know a lot of these job listing can have a lot of jargon and words that you don't understand here. I break it down in easy, understandable form so that you can have an easy takeaway and more confidence when you are applying. So, if you're interested in that, you're definitely going to enjoy this channel. So, please stay tuned so you won't miss any information. So today, LabCorp is hiring. They have plenty opportunities that are time sensitive, and we're going to get into them here in this video. But not only I have LabCorp jobs, I also have no interview opportunity where you can do easy tasks online and get paid through PayPal. And I have email jobs as well, so no phones included. So you're going to find something here through this web of different jobs. And let me know in the comment section what kind of jobs are you looking for so that I can gather up list and present this job opportunity and look for this job opportunities for you in the next coming video. So have you ever looked at some this job opportunity and wonder if you even had enough what it looked in order to qualify because maybe you didn't finish college or your college dropout or just have high school diploma but no experience at all. And have you ever been told that you can succeed without a college degree? The truth is you can be successful without college degree, and many people think that this might mean entering into fields like welding, plumbing, but you can also do white collar job, right? So like sales, marketing, customer service, IT maybe, or a business analysis, or even computer science, right? So let me walk you through their website. So this is their website. You can see here Love Corp, it said here, we give everything our all because everything we do has the potential to change lives. So we are a global life science and healthcare company harnessing science for human good. Every day, our mission is to improve health and improve lives. So that is what Love Corp. So you're going to check here, going to check their integrated approach makes it said here from the test result that insight on individual patient care to the ability to recruit participants and provide insight scale for clinical trials. So it said here we help connect the dots between the diagnostic and drug development. So if you're going to search for a job, you can just click careers, right? And yeah, you're going to find a job that you want to do. Let's say customers. is. So you're going to type their customer, right? So LabCorp is seeking a customer service support representative to join their team in Lakewood. So this position will work with physician office, hospital laboratories, patient and internal customers to ensure that all client needs are addressed accurately and efficiently. So the customer service support representative will provide product education and handle a wide variety of questions while ensuring a world-class customer experience. So the ideal candidate will be passionate about customer service and motivated to work with a customer-centric, innovative company. So if you are call center agent, I here as a customer service support representative. Um, and the job duties. So let's move to the responsibilities and job duties. Okay, so um, act a liaison between LabCorp, the customer base, and patient. So you're going to resolve routine customer requests with products or services via inbound and outbound calls or the internet, right? And then speak with customers with courteous, friendly, and professional manner using protocol. They do have their own protocols, right? So inquire, clarify, and confirm customer requirements and understanding the solution. So we're going also to provide additional customer education and information as needed and qualify and establish inbound new customers LabCorp's products and services. And then you're going to work in multiple database to research complex issues and questions. And you're also going to notify the clients of test results in a timely and accurate. Then review test forms for accuracy and report any discrepancies, right? And you're going to participate in activities designed to improve customer satisfaction and business performance. And you're going to perform administrative support for medical record management, CRM data maintenance, journal records to assure HEPA compliance, right? So if you are a nursing graduate or if you are a student of nursing or any medical field, you can apply here as a support representative. And then for the job requirements here, it requires a high school diploma and equivalent, 1 to 2 years of experience in laboratory environment, comfortably or comfortably with handling biological specimens, and ability to accurately identify specimens, basic computer and data entry skills, strong communication skills, written and verbal, ability to work independently or within a term environment, and well organized and high level attention to detail, ability to sit, or stand for extended periods of time, and must pass a standardized color blindness test. Yes, that is really important because you're going to read results, right? And ability to work overtime as needed and cover occasional weekend obligations. So here are the benefits. So all job of offers will be based on candidate skills and prior relevant experience, applicable degrees or certifications, as well as internal equity and market data, right? Regular full-time or part-time employees working 20 or more hours per week are eligible for comprehensive benefits including medical, dental, vision, life, STD and or LTD, and 401k and PSPP, paid time off, PTO, or flexible time of FO, missions, and company bonus where applicable. You can click here for more. If you are, it said here, if you're looking for a career that offers for growth, continual development, professional challenge, and the chance to make a real difference, you can apply it. So you can click apply here. So if you're going to click apply here, you will do this website. Um, you can sign up. You can sign up and yeah, you can create your own account here and apply for this. So I hope I encourage you to apply to this company. This has been your teacher Hazel once again saying dream without fear, love without limits, live without regrets. Till next time.